In this tutorial, we will write a Python program to calculate the area of a triangle. Now we have different ways of finding area of the triangle. So it depends. Like if we are given three sides, then if three sides are given, then your formula will be this. If you have three sides given, then your formula will be three sides which are if three sides A, B, and C are given. Then you will find S, which is A plus B plus C divided by 2, and then you will find area by square root of S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. But if you are, if let's say base and height are given, then you can use simply your area equals to 0.5 multiplied by base multiplied by height. So these two are your ways of finding uh, the area of a triangle. So for this, let's say we want to take three sides from user. So I want to input a equals to float input and enter side 1. User will enter side 1, and for I'm copying it to save the uh, side 2 and side 3, and I will store it in B and I will store this in C. Now our S will be A plus B plus C and whole divided by 2, and our area will be S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C, and this whole square root of this, which will be whole power 0.5. So now this is our area, and now let's print the area of a triangle with sides, let's say A, B, and C is this one. So this will go dot format or side A, B, C. So first A, then B, then C, and then last one is this is your area, which is area. So let's print this one. If I want to enter a side 10, 20, 30. So here we have size 10, 20, 30. Oh my god, the area is 0.0. Why so? Let's find out. We have done some kind of mistake over here. Let's find out. Oh, so what I found out is actually these sides do not form any valid triangle, because if you sum all the sides, 30 plus 20, 50, 60, 60 divided by 2, which is 30. Now when 30 minus 30, or C side is 30, S is 30, 30 minus 30, this will be 0, and 0 multiplying by anything will give you 0. That's why area is 0. So let's use some other sides. Let's say 5, 6, 7. So now we have entered sides 5, 6, 7, and the area of a triangle with side 5, 6, 7 is 14 point this. If we want to limit this up to 3 decimal points, then we will use or 2, then we will use 0.2f. Now this will give let's say 5, 6, 7. Now this is rounded up to 2 decimal points, which is great. Now coming to another alternative option, where if we are given base and height. So for base, let's take input from user input. Please enter base, and same goes for height, and we will use float and input. Please enter height. User will give the height, and our area will be 0.5 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Now we'll print it with the area of a triangle with base this and height. This is this area. Okay, now this will go into the format. In format we have our base, we have our height, and then we have our area. We print this, we have to enter the base. Let's say we have base 10, and if we have height 20, then the area of a triangle with base 10 and height 20 is actually 100. So if you do not understand how these things work, this is actually a whole string, and in a string you can give these brackets and insert values on replacement of these brackets later using format function. So to dot operator, I have used the format function of string, and I have passed base, which will go into the first bracket, and then I have passed height, which will go into the second bracket, and finally area, which will go into the third and last bracket. So this is how it is functioning. That's it with finding the area of a triangle, and see you in next tutorial.